Funding for News 6 is made possible in part by Time Warner Cable. Time Warner Cable is proud to support News 6. Time Warner Cable, the power of you. Additional funding is provided by the Northwest Ohio Educational Technology Foundation and members of WBGU PBS.
Welcome to this week's edition of News 6. I'm your host, John Schinner. Today's program is brought to you by the 6th grade class of Bowling Green Christian Academy. Our school is a place we call home from 9 to 3 every day of the week. We are located within the Bowling Green city limits, very close to the Wood County Fairgrounds that host their annual fair every August and the National Tractor Pulling Championship.
Have you ever traveled to Bowling Green and found a marvelously carved sculpture peeking high above the trees? The Wood County Courthouse stands proudly in the middle of Bowling Green, Ohio. It signifies the grace and fortitude of our judicial system.
The city of Bowling Green is the lucky home of Wood County's beautiful courthouse. The strong, solid structure presents a picture of justice that is performed within its walls. The structure stands over 185 feet tall and can be seen from all over Bowling Green. Perhaps the most impressive part of the courthouse is the clock tower. It is a square tower that is composed of granite. Wood County's clock hands are special in that they are the second largest clock hands in America. Composed of both granite and limestone, the structure has many different unique features designed by different architectural companies from Ohio. Each carving symbolizes the thing that our justice system values and stands up for every day. Inside a domed ceiling that is visible from the first floor, there are patterns of stained glass. In many of the panels, you can see the seal of Ohio. The courthouse has always had a unique lighting system that keeps the building safe from any fire that could destroy any important documents that they house. The courthouse has a gift of a bicentennial bell. Ohio celebrates its foundation by giving bells to the different countries around the state. This beautiful gift is a sight for everyone to see. As Americans, we have the right to a fair trial. This building represents this right by upholding the laws that the people of the United States have written to protect our own freedoms. The wonderful building is like a piece of artwork that tells the people of Wood County that justice will be served according to the rights that we have been given. Come and visit our monumental courthouse and see the beauty for yourself.
A young boy from Wisconsin named Billy, who pukes a lot, moves and goes to a new state and school. When Billy gets there, he runs into the biggest bully at the school, Joe. Joe and his friends talk Billy into a bet to eat 10 worms in one day. Billy can't puke either. The loser has to pay a penalty that no kid would want to pay. Some of the worms are radioactive, slime deluxe, and even a green slusher. Will Billy eat 10 worms by 7:30, or will he fail and have to pay the penalty? Watch and find out. This movie receives 4 out of 5 stars.
Everybody loves a fresh baked cookie, but not all cookies are baked alike. Our class visited a new bakery in Bowling Green to find out just what kind of cookies they make. Clayton Mears has the story.
Everyone loves fresh baked cookies right out of the oven. The Cookie Jar and More delivers on their promise to make huge, delicious, and yes, fresh baked cookies you'll just love.
Every morning we make our cookies from scratch using the highest quality ingredients that we can find. We start with the butter and sugar, and then vanilla, eggs, flour, and then whatever ingredients the cookie happens to be. Like for chocolate chips, it would be chocolate chip.
Products from local fruit and berry farms, dairy farms, and other local products are used as much as possible.
It doesn't get any fresher than our cookies. You walk in, you place your order, 15 to 20 minutes later, you have cookies.
The Cookie Jar and More offers you the option of celebrating your favorite holidays and occasions with their cookies.
We make cookies, we make cookie cakes, we make catered cookies, we have thank you packages, we have holiday packages, And we've got some other things right now in the works. Currently, we are not selling cookie jars at the cookie jar, just cookies. We, however, intend on getting together with maybe some local artists to design a cookie jar of our own so that we can use that to ship our cookies nationwide then. Until then, we'll just have cookie jars we collect from family and friends.
Come and savor the smell of cookies baking in the oven at the Cookie Jar and More, located at 130 East Court Street in historic downtown Bowling Green, Ohio. This is Clayton Mears reporting for News 6.
That's all for this edition of News 6. We hope you've enjoyed learning about our community. Thanks for watching.
Funding for News 6 is made possible in part by Time Warner Cable. Time Warner Cable is proud to support News 6. Time Warner Cable, the power of you. Additional funding is provided by the Northwest Ohio Educational Technology Foundation and members of WBGU PBS.